Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dudu Mendez Tips. If you're new here, you're in the right place. On this channel, we share powerful tech tips, tutorials, and smart solutions to level up your digital game. Before we jump into today's tutorial, make sure you like this video, drop a comment below, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any update from us. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to deploy the toxic mini-bot WhatsApp bot for free and in the easiest way possible. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free and beginner-friendly. This bot is powerful. It comes packed with over 150 plus commands. We're talking about features like auto status view and auto status like, anti-view once, anti-delete messages, full group management tools, social media downloader, music downloader, and so much more. This bot can literally transform your WhatsApp experience. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'll guide you through everything clearly. Now, let's get started. The first step, open the bot link. I've placed the link in the video description below. Go there, click the link, and follow along with me. Let's begin.
Mendez! Pela Somod! Pela Mendez! Pela Somod! Mendez! Mendez! Pela Somod! Mendez! 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 On the left, Mendez, 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 never fall, never fall, never fall. Mendez, pela Somod. Mendez! Mendez, 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 yeah. Mendez! Pela Somod! Pela Pela Somod! Mendez, Mendez, pela Somod! Mendez, 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 on the left, Mendez, 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 never fall, never fall, never fall.
And just like that, your toxic mini-bot is now fully deployed. Simple, powerful, and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comment section below. I read your comments, and I appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Dudu Mendez Tips, because we're just getting started. More powerful bots, more smart tools, more tech secrets are coming your way. And before you leave, make sure you join my WhatsApp channel. That's where I share updates, new bot releases, important links, and exclusive content you won't see anywhere else. The link to join is in the description. Be part of the community. Be part of the growth. Be part of the movement. This is Dudu Mendez Tips, where we turn ideas into power. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay updated, and stay connected. Peace.